morning, class. I am your teacher for today, Farmer Roz. And the first thing we're going to do this morning is we're going to go on a field trip to farms all across the country so that you can get an idea of what farm life is about. I know many of you have never been on a farm and don't know anything or very little about a farm. So that's what we're going to do first. Then after that, I'm going to allow you to pick your favorite farm animal, and we're going to talk about them, and then we're going to make a graph of our favorite farm animal, and after that, then I will allow you to make your own graphs about farm animals. We'll begin. First thing we'll do is we're going to count the farm animals that the class has chosen, and we're going to put tally marks for each one, and the children are going to do that with me. And then count that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses, and we've already made the tally marks here for the 6 horses, and we're going to color in a square for each of the horses. There we have 1, 2, 6. It's just for my own counting. Then we're going to have, let's see, we have the ducks, and there are 3 ducks. So we're going to write our tally marks for the ducks. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to color in for the ducks. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I'm going to count the pigs. 1, 2, 3. Make our tally marks for the pigs. 1, 2, 3. Color them in. Find the pig. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to look at the cows. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks for the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color them in. The cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do our sheep. There's 1, 2 sheep. I'm going to color in for the sheep. 1, 2. And we don't have any chickens, so therefore we won't color anything for our chickens. I forgot to put tally marks for the sheep. Okay, so the chickens have 0 tally marks, so therefore we don't color in any bars for the chickens. Okay, so now that we've made our graph, the children can now tell me which animal was chosen the most. And we would count, and we'd see that the horse comes all the way up here. There's 6 of them, so the horse was chosen the most. And then we asked which animal was chosen the least. The chicken has 0, so therefore no one chose the chicken, so the chicken was chosen least. And I can also ask them which animal was chosen, which 2 animals were the same amount, and we look and we could find that there are 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 here, so the ducks and the pigs have the same amount. And if I said, we could also ask something like how many 2-legged animals were chosen altogether, and we have 0 chickens and 3 ducks, so therefore it was only 3 altogether because there were no chickens. Okay, as independent practice and for assessment, we'll have put a random number of animals in this cup, and the children will work in groups or they can work alone, and have this worksheet where they're going to use their crayons and they're going to color in for each animal how many there are. And then I will go around and ask questions about their graph and see if they can tell me, answer the questions correctly. And if they all do a very good job of that, then we may move on to the next thing. If not, then I'll have to do reteaching in small groups with maybe fewer animals involved. And my TEKS objectives for this assignment is kindergarten math TEKS 12.1, where the students construct and use graphs of real objects or pictures to answer questions. And this is also my handout that I will be giving out, that I would give to the person that will coming in to observe, so that they will know what the lesson is about and what is to be expected. And that's our lesson for today. Have a nice day.